percent increase and decrease. So this is really looking for the percent of the change, of how much something changed. Okay, so this long formula here, I'm actually going to make it a little shorter. So it's always the difference is the percent times the original. All right, that's what's in the box. It's just kind of shortened a little for you. So the difference is the percent times the original. And this one I like to shorten too. So the percent over 100, difference over original. I'm going to highly suggest using the proportion if you see a percent increase or decrease. All right, you'll probably see why as we go here. Okay. Number 1. Abby bought a leather jacket for $260. It's now on sale for $208. What is the percent of change in price? All right, I will show you both ways and just to see which one you like better. All right, if I use the formula way here, this is kind of like the translate way. You need to find the difference between these prices. So the difference means I'm going to subtract them. So what's 260 minus the 208? 52. So 52 equals percent times original. Do we know the percent? No. Do we know the original? Original means the first one. The original recipe. The original whatever. So which one's the original? Where did it start? It started at 260, so that's going to go here. Now, how do you solve for n? It's got times 260 near it. I would do the inverse, divide by the 260. 52 divided by 260 is 0.2. So it's a 20%, I guess, decrease. Okay, so there's the translate way. If you didn't love that, I would set up a proportion. So the proportion way, we don't know the percent, so that's n over 100. And difference over original. So we would still need to find the difference, which we just said was 52. And we would use the original price. So this would be the 260. Okay, so 260 times n. 260n, 100 times 52, 5200, divide by the 260, and we've got 5200 divided by 260, yep, giving us the 20%. Same answer. All right, so again, you can kind of pick your poison here, but what did we need to find? It's weird, this 52, it's not even in the problem. You have to find the difference. That is the difference. Okay, so if you see percent increase or percent decrease, or in this case it was percent change, you have to find the difference. Okay, so number 2, find the percent decrease from 25 to 4. I'm going proportion style. I don't know the percent. N over 100. It's a percent decrease, so I'm supposed to do the difference over the original. What's the difference between 25 and 4? 21. Where did this start? It started at 25. Okay, so 25 times n is 25n. 21 times 100 is 2100. How do you solve for n? We're going to divide by 25. So 2100 divided by 25 is 84. So it's an 84% decrease. Does that seem right? Yeah, it went from 25 down to 4. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay, the next two a little different. I feel like we can make these shorter. Number 3, find the new number when 75 is decreased by 26%. to me, that's just like a discount problem. What we have to do is find 26% of 75 and then subtract it off. I think the quickest way to do that is just do this. 0.26 times the 75. Won't that give us 26% of the 75? Yep, 19.5. And it wants us to decrease 75 by that number. So hello, just subtract it off. So 75 minus the 19.5, we're down to 55.5, and we're done. Okay, number 4, find the new number when 32 is increased by 28%. Okay, so that seems like a tax problem, right? It's almost like if the tax was 28%, figure it out and add it on. All right, so let's figure out 28% of 32. 28% of 32 is 8.96. We're going to increase 32 by that amount. So 32 plus the 8.96. So add the 32, and we're up to 40.96. All right, one more, guys. Oh, hello. Marker just rolled by. Number 5, Robbie has a dog named Spot. In May, Spot's weight decreased by 5%. If he weighed 30 pounds on May 1st, how much did he weigh at the end of the month? So after the 5% decrease. So again, I'm thinking it's just like a discount. So 5%, that would be 0.05 of the 30 pounds. Just a pound and a half. So he lost a pound and a half. So what's 30 minus a pound and a half? 28 and a half lbs. Okay? All right, so these last few were not bad, but you got to look for the keywords percent decrease, percent change. If you see something like that, you have to find the difference. That's what people usually forget. All right, let's look at the homework page, and maybe we can circle the problems that are like that. Okay? All right, good job.